Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Pod-based vapes tend to last longer compared to other types due to their efficient use of e-liquid and battery life. Devices like the JUUL, Suorin Air, and SMOK Nord are known for their longevity, thanks to high-capacity batteries and refillable pods that can withstand several uses before needing a replacement. For those looking for a long-lasting experience, consider a device with a large battery capacity, above 1000 mAh, and the option to refill your pods. Always remember the importance of proper maintenance and optimal charging practices, as these factors significantly contribute to the lifespan of your device.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.